Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at how we can add branded email settings to our Business Pro account. So here we are on our home page, and here we're going to go to our settings. And when we're in our settings, we can go to branded email settings. And we're going to scroll down a bit, and we want to toggle on enable branded emails. So once we've done that, we want to add a logo. So I'm going to press change logo here, and I'm going to add this logo that I've made for myself. I see my logo has popped up here, and I can also customize an invitation message. So I can write, "You've been invited to a notarization session with Katura Notary." And I want to press update. Now, if we want to have an idea of what our branded email will look like when it goes to one of our clients, we can click here and we have an image of where our logo will be and our custom message that we've just written. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.